Hello, welcome to the very first episode ng Scent Air Manila Vlog, and today we're going to make a review of a very popular, very versatile scent from the House of Versace. Well, nakita niyo na naman sa thumbnail, so Versace Dylan Blue. Okay, konting story time lang how I discovered Versace Dylan Blue. I remember prior to discovering this perfume, I already have Eclat, Perry Elise, Hawas Rasasi. So most of them are fresh scents. So I was looking for something sweet na pwedeng pang night out, even though I don't do night outs. Anyways, for some reason, ito yung una kong inamoy sa Versace section ng Rustans. And nung naamoy ko siya, nagbago kagad yung isip ko. Instead of buying Versace Eros EDT, ito na lang yung binili ko. So, I'll describe the scent later kung bakit ito ba yung napili ko. So let's go to the facts about the perfume. This was launched in 2016 and the nose behind this scent is Alberto Morillas. If you're familiar with the guy is responsible for Acqua di Gio and Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense. So what can you expect from this perfume? Kundi talagang maging fresh siya, diba? Pagdating naman sa presentation, you can have this perfume in a 100 ml bottle. Meron ding 200 ml and 50 ml. Pero ang karaniwang makikita nyo sa mall is yung 100 ml. Pagdating naman sa notes ng perfume, here are the top notes. And middle notes. And the base notes. Okay, punta na tayo sa scent mismo. Remember when I told you na from planning to buy an Eros, in a heartbeat I switched to purchasing a VDB. Kasi yung intro niya, amoy bagong ligo. Soapy and fresh. Okay. Aquatic. Meron siyang konting sweetness but at the same time, parang perfect balance nung freshness niya. Siyempre, isipin mo na this is a fresh na scent, so it's perfect for the hot weather, for gym, physical activities, and all. Pero there is a certain sweetness and cleanness about this perfume na pwede mo din siya gamitin sa formal events. And I've tried this sa gym, and habang naglalakad ako sa gabi, it still projects bango. Versace Dylan Blue lasts for easily 6 hours in my skin. Mahilig kasi ako maglakad and ngayon na medyo mainit ang panahon, I think pinagpapawisan na ako ng sobra, nag-gym na ako, nandun pa rin yung amoy niya sa balat ko. Pagdating naman sa damit, it lasts longer kasi minsan pag sa hamper, parang ilang araw ko na siyang naiwan doon, maamoy ko pa rin yung signature scent ng Dylan Blue. Pagdating naman sa projection, the reason why I like Versace Dylan Blue is napapansin ka, but at the same time, you're not grabbing everyone's attention in a bad way. Work from home ako at minsan lang ako mapunta sa office, and pag nagpupunta naman ako sa office ay madalas akong nako-compliment na mabango. So magkano mo nga ba makukuha ang Versace Dylan Blue? Sa mga legit sellers sa Facebook, you can have this perfume, yung 100 ml size niya, around 3,000 to 3,500 range. Another observation ko sa Versace Dylan Blue is nagtitinda kasi ako ng mga pabango. And I had 3 stocks of Versace Dylan Blue. Now, sa 3 stocks na yon, 2 sa bumili is babae. Siyempre, iisipin mo na hindi naman nila gagamitin yon, but instead, chances are, pangririgalo nila yon sa mga special someone nila. So, I'm kinda concluding na may patok sa chicks ang pabango na ito. And although yung isa na bumili sa akin na lalaki, prior to his purchase, ang daming babae na nagtatanong sa akin, how much is this? And pag nag-dry down siya, ito sinasabi kasi ng iba na amoy laway daw, ganyan-ganyan. Ako, personally, hindi ko siya nagigets. But at the same time, I cannot discredit naman yung mga opinions ng iba. Pag nag-dry down siya, it becomes a bit salty. Siguro yun yung nakukuha ng ibang tao. But in my case, hindi ko naman siya naamoy. Siguro pwede ding possibility na iba din kasi yung pag inamoy mo siya ng malapitan sa dry down, medyo gumuguhit siya sa ilong. But pag malayuan naman, that is where the magic happens. Medyo salty nga siya pag sa dry down. Siguro yun yung nire-refer nila as amoy laway. Pero one point of talking about that amoy laway issue is parang Filipino lang nakita ko nagko-comment na amoy laway. I've watched other vlogs about Versace Dylan Blue and wala naman ako naririnig na it smells like saliva or something. Pero yun. Here are my last thoughts about Versace Dylan Blue. Kung ikaw ay looking for a perfume na magagamit mo sa iba't ibang activities na you can use it for kung sporty ka, pasok to, you can use it sa sports. Kung business guy ka and attends many formal occasions, this can work for you. And kung pang everyday scent lang din naman, compared to other blue fragrances, it's relatively cheaper. Kasi kung ikukumpara mo sa mga Ambroxan bombs like Sauvage and other blue fragrances like Bleu de Chanel, Profondo, I think this is perfect for the budget and a very mass appealing one. So parang no-brainer, no? Pag halimbawa, hindi mo alam kung ano yung susuot mo, Versace Dylan Blue. Yun. Na-enjoy nyo ba yung first episode? Ayun. So, see you next episode.